Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and analysis.
Today, we're diving into the world of tactical footwear with a closer look at the NORTIV V8 men's military tactical boot. Let me start by saying, if you're in the market for top-quality boots that won't break the bank, look no further. These NORTIV V8 boots are the epitome of durability, comfort, and style. You're out on the trail, navigating rugged terrain with ease. Your feet are supported, cushioned, and protected every step of the way. That's the experience you get with these boots. Let's talk features. First up, advanced cushioning. The responsive EVA midsole absorbs shock, keeping you comfortable even during long days on your feet.
Plus, the breathable mesh lining ensures your feet stay dry and cool.
But what really sets these boots apart is their practicality.
With a convenient side zipper and lightweight design,
you can easily slip them on and off without sacrificing stability or support. Don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about these boots, praising their comfort, quality, and unbeatable value.
Whether you're hiking, working, or tackling tough terrain, these boots have got you covered.
So there you have it, folks.
The NORTIV V8 men's military tactical boot is hands down one of the best options on the market.
With its superior quality, innovative features, and affordable price point, it's a game changer for anyone in need of reliable footwear. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the products you love.
Until next time, happy exploring.